Carolina Pool Consultants offers professional concrete pool design and installation services in Denver, North Carolina to homeowners. Did you know that owning your very own concrete pool can help improve your overall health and well-being? Having your own pool in your backyard means you can use it whenever you want and not rely on community pools to be open for a morning or evening swim. And homeowners know exactly who's been in their pool because they only have to share it with their friends and family. Owning your own pool gives you the flexibility to enjoy the outdoors whenever you want. And the convenience of walking right outside means you'll get to use your pool more than you would if you had to travel to a club or community pool. Rely on Carolina Pool Consultants for the best concrete pool design and installation services in Greater Denver, North Carolina. And schedule your pool estimate with us by calling 704-799-5236.